To charge your Rode Wireless Go 2, first you will need to grab the USB-C cable that is connected to basically anything that has power. You can charge it with the charging cube, which is standard for any smartphone, or use it by connecting it to PC as well. Make sure that PC is turned on to actually work. Now we can grab that USB-C port and connect it right here to the left device that I have right here, and then it will start charging, and you will know it when it's connected to your adapter right here. As you can see, there's a battery sign right there, and it says that it's charging. Now we can move to the second one, and here it's much more simple, as when you connect it to the USB-C port right here, it will instantly start charging. Let the camera focus, please. And you can see the charging progress right here below. And that is basically everything.